Welcome guys, today I am with the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus and I want to show you 5 camera tips. So the first, we can simply focus on the filters. You will find them right here, so we can tap on this icon, and right here, as you can see, we can find a lot of filters. They change color and the temperature. I would like to take a photo with this one, so I have to select, click on the shutter, and as you can see, that's how it looks. Definitely there's a big change between these two photos. I can recommend you to try all of them, and if you want to go for the original look, go for the normal one. Okay, so that was the first tip. Another one will be about the brightness adjustment, so you can just tap on the screen and use the sun icon to adjust the brightness, to decrease or increase it. You can make it automatically by tapping on the screen, and it also works, for example, in the video mode, in the portrait mode. Right now we can simply move for the settings, where we can enable shutter delay between 3, 5 and 10 seconds. When you select the 3 seconds, as you can see, that's the countdown, and after this time the photo was taken. The next tip will be about the settings. So right here we can enable another feature at tap to take photo, and right now when you click on the screen, we will take photo. Of course, that's the shutter delay because I didn't unselect this option, but right now we can make it just like that. The next tip will be also in the settings. We can go right here, and for example, when you go for the customize, you can simply change this shutter sound. I can take this one. As you can hear right now, the shutter sound has changed. So yeah, that's my 5 tips for the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.